Alcatel 180td, a helium leak detector with a dry pump and turbomolecular pump inside. It has a remote controller and display unit from where the operation is controlled. The first switch on the controller is for the filament. When the light is off, the helium mass spectrometer filament is off, and these two buttons are for adjusting the background zero noise. You can increase it or decrease it only when the filament is off. And this is the run switch to operate the detector system. The control panel on the unit is a sniffer probe on-off and a gross leak detector, and this is for the vent valve. Every time this switch is enabled, the test port is vented to atmosphere. So once it is vented to atmosphere, we open the calibrator leak here and turn on the leak detection process. It's roughing down, and as soon as it hits about 2 into 10 to the minus 2 millibar, the detection port is connected to the mass spectrometer, and we start seeing the helium. Right now, the bar graph indicates that the helium ions are being detected by the spectrometer. And this is for the these two knobs indicate the audio alarm, and this is the audio alarm enable switch. You can adjust the set point where the audio alarm should start. And I'm adjusting the set point, and these green indications here are for the turbo pump. First, when the power to the turbo pump is enabled, the P green LED turns on, and also the amber when the turbo molecular pump is accelerating. Once it is at full speed, the OK button turns on. And this section is for the indication of the spectrometer condition. The horizontal LED here, milliamperes of filament current, and the other bar graph is for the indication of the high vacuum in millibar. And once the system is warmed up for about half hour, the vacuum levels should be in 10 to the minus 4 to 10 to the minus 5 range. In case of any alarm conditions, these tiny LEDs on these reset switches will be enabled. When the vent valve is enabled, we can disconnect the test port and connect the test chamber. And after connecting the test chamber, we start the cycle again. Right now the rotting cycle is on. Yep. So that's the set point here is 10 to the -7 range, millibar per liters per second. And as soon as I close the valve here, the helium leak rate goes down on the indicator, so also the audio line. To leave the system in standby mode, you can turn off the start switch. In case you don't want to vent the test port, you can leave the vent valve enable switch off. Done.